In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a 2x2 picture in Microsoft Word. If you need to create a standard 2x2 photo for a form, an ID, or any document requirement, Microsoft Word gives you a quick and simple way to do it. The nice thing is that you do not need any advanced editing software. Everything can be done directly inside Word using the built-in picture tools. Start by clicking on your image so it becomes selected. Once the picture is selected, look at the top of the screen and open the Picture Format tab. This is where you'll find the tools you need to crop and resize the image properly. Next, go to the Crop option on the far right side. Click the small drop-down arrow, then hover over Aspect Ratio and choose Square, which is 1:1. This is important because a 2x2 picture needs to be perfectly square before you set the final size. If you skip this part, the image may end up stretched or uneven. After selecting the square aspect ratio, adjust the crop box so your face is centered nicely in the frame. Take your time here and make sure the photo looks balanced, with the face positioned the way you want it. Once you are happy with the placement, click the crop button again to apply the crop. Now that the picture is square, change the size exactly. Still under the picture formatting tools, find the height and width fields and set both of them to 2 inches. If your Word settings are using centimeters, enter 5.08 centimeters instead. Then press Enter. This will give you the exact 2x2 dimensions required. After resizing, you may notice the image needs a slight adjustment to look centered again. If that happens, simply move the image as needed until it looks right on the page. If you want more freedom when placing the image in your document, go back to Picture Format, click Wrap Text, and choose Behind Text. This setting allows you to move the picture freely anywhere on the page without it being restricted by the normal text layout. Once that is done, you can also create multiple copies quickly. Press Ctrl and D on Windows or Command and D on a Mac to duplicate the image. This is especially helpful if you need several identical 2x2 photos on the same page for printing. And that's it. That's how to resize a 2x2 picture in Microsoft Word quickly, accurately, and with clean results.